This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for August 28th, 2020. Corn market today up 1 3/4, beans up 13 1/4, Chicago wheat down 3 1/4, Minneapolis down 1 to 3 cents, Kansas City up 1 cent. On the week, we saw corn up 19 cents, soybeans up 49 3/4, Chicago wheat up 12. Minneapolis up 4 1/4, Kansas City up 16. So overall, a very good week, another type week we'd like to see. I think the key thing right now is we're getting into resistance counts, looking at this corn market around this 355 to 368 area. That culminates these first two price counts with that 391 as a third, and I just think that 391 is a little lofty, so pay attention here. Some great marketing opportunities to take advantage of from our vantage point. Beans, on the other hand, in here against this 950 level. Next price count, 1004 off the November beans. So a lofty one, but we'll see how dynamic the weather conditions get. Obviously a little too dry down through the heart of Iowa, northern Illinois, and we'll need to kind of watch that here as we move ahead. Wheat market just kind of stuck in a little bit of a funk, but near the upper end of the range. So encouraging to see these markets get up towards what we are going to call the seasonal highs to this point, and important to take some marketing measures as a net result. Watching next week, really going to be a weather focus along with those crop conditions there on Monday. Feeder cattle down 120 on the day, on the week down 290. Live cattle anywhere from up 25 on the fronts to down 1 1/4 in the backs. We saw on the week down 257.5, and the hog market down 207.5 Friday, down 60 cents on the week. Looking at cattle, cash 103 to 108, live base 165 dress, that's down a couple dollars on the week. Box beef was firm here as we head into Labor Day. Exports were very softish though, so that was not a welcome sign there. Real question is, we've kind of broke down, we've achieved the first two price counts for feeders, first price count for cattle, and now we've kind of faltered back here as of late, and really important to hold it together, otherwise it seems like 100 is our next area of focal point here if we continue to break down. Hogs, on the other hand, hog index around $57, cutout softer, great export sales this week. But we ran into resistance between that $56 and $60 level off this October and December contract, and now we're seeing the selling start to show up. So just for these meat markets, really difficult to get up much more than these first and second price counts, and I think that's a sign maybe for the grains to pay attention here, folks. Have a great weekend. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.